Hi, こんにちは、あすこ先生です。Hi, I'm あすこ先生, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about try. So, let's give it a try. Alright? Would you like to try to do something? So, in Japanese language, we use 手 form and 見ます. So, 見ます, this one is, 見ます normally means see or look. So, it's like give it a try and let's see what it goes. Yes, kind of expression. So, we use 手 form and 見ます. So, for example, if you want to taste something, 食べてみます。食べてみます。Okay, so taste 食べてみます。And then in this phrase, 手 form and みます。みます is the main verb. Okay, so if you want to go to, for example, Japan, and then see how it goes. 日本へ行ってみたいです。Yes. 行ってみたいです。So it means, yes, you can say of course 日本へ行きたいです。Yes. So it sounds more like you want to go there.But if you say 行ってみたいです, maybe you've heard some good things related to that place, and then yeah, I'd like to go and then see how it goes, so see what will happen. So it's like a trial kind of trip. So in that case, we say 行ってみたいです, みたいです, want to go, want to do, want to give it a try, okay? Or if you want to put on something, yes, try it on, yes, try this coat on. In that case, コートを着てみます is, put the coat as a try, try the coat on, yes. But you can say if you want to, if you ask shop staff and then, may I try it on? In that case, 着て手 form 着ます。着てみてもいいですか? Yes. So 手 form and もいいですか is, to ask permission. Is it okay if I do this? Yes. So in this sentence structure, in this phrase, we use two 手 form. Okay. First 手 form 着ます change to 着て. This is wear or put on in this case. So, 着てみます. But 見ます verb change to 見て. Yes, 見ます is the same look. Yes. So, this is group 2. So, 見てもいいですか? 手 form もいいですか? Asking permission. Yes. So, this is very useful phrase. So, if you try to do something, use this 手 form and 見ます. May I taste? 食べて見てもいいですか? さよなら、またね。